celebrating Africa's rich cultural heritage.
The Osun State Governor, Adeleke, has assured holiday makers and residents of the state maximum security as well as safety of lives and properties during and after Salah celebrations. Governor Adeleke gave the assurance at the Osogbo train terminus shortly after receiving passengers who came in their numbers to celebrate 2024 Eid-el-Kabir. Adeleke would file evidence excited to receive citizens who came to celebrate Salah with their loved ones, saying the journey will avail them opportunity to pursue developmental projects executed by the administration of People's Democratic Party (PDP) in the state.
Come and celebrate Salah. I'm happy to receive the citizens of Osun for them to have a wonderful Salah. So that's why I'm here. To their state, or state of the race.
The governor, accompanied by the Commissioner for Commerce and Industry, Bumejenyo, and other government officials, lauded government initiatives.
This is the first of its kind, that a governor will receive all Osun citizens that come from Lagos.
Beneficiaries appreciate Governor Adeleke for the kind gesture.
It's very well. We thank God for our governor for Osun State. God will bless him. Anything.
The stress here and there, and the traffic on the road as well. So by boarding on train, at least you save the stress, save the transport fee, and a lot of things. So at least it was really okay. And we really thank the governor for his effort.
However, the train is expected to return back to Lagos next week, Wednesday, 19th of this month. Opeyemi Akinyemi, Abntv News, Osun State, Nigeria.